What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R. This vehicle is powered by a 5.2 liter supercharged V8 with 700 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. Made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it can do 0 to 60 in roughly 4.2 seconds. So I've never actually driven the Raptor R before, so I'm really excited to drive it today. I have driven the Ram TRX, so I'm interested to see how this compares. I don't have a video on the Ram TRX, by the way, but I have driven it. But yeah, I've driven the regular Raptor of this generation with the 6-cylinder, which is pretty cool, but nothing's cooler than a supercharged V8, you know what I mean? But yeah, so really cool looking interior. Paddle shifters, metal paddle shifters, that too. I like the red stripe over here, and the steering wheel is massive in this thing. And you can see the Raptor logo right here has like the red R symbol for the Raptor R. You have a Bang & Olufsen sound system, and it looks like you have the speakers integrated into the headrest because it has the Bang & Olufsen logo over there. And then these little holes for the speakers. You also have Alcantara on the seats too. You have a panoramic sunroof. You have speakers above your head as well. Giant center console. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. Also coin holder. This thing is huge. So much room. You have a reverse camera with 360 view. I hope a truck of this price has 360 view, and you definitely need it with how massive this truck is. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have the built-in maps if you want to use that. You have heated seats and ventilated seats as well. And you have carbon fiber interior trim. And your drive mode selectors right here. We're going to drive in sport. You have off-road, Baja, rock crawl, normal, sport, tow and haul, and slippery. So sport's going to be fun. We're going to see what that's like. I also like the Raptor logo on the steering wheel right there. That's cool as well. But let's walk around this truck and then we'll get out on the road. So the seats are pretty sporty, of course, and they look really cool. Ford Performance right there. Also have running boards or step rails, whatever you want to call it. Massive wheels or massive tires on this. And you also have you know off-road performance upgrades on the Raptor R for much more ground clearance than a regular F-150. And the regular Raptor looks insane. This is a really, really aggressive looking truck. It's huge. You have the R logo right there. Also have the red recovery hooks. Also the red R logo up there. Man, the Raptor logo is all over this thing. Rear seats are actually pretty spacious. You have heated rear seats too, which is cool. You can also plug in your phone over there for charging. You also have cup holders and nice AC vents. So that's pretty nice. So you can comfortably fit 5 people in this truck. Here's a truck bed. Raptor R badge again. You have dual outlet exhausts. So you have the Fox Factory Raptor R suspension components right there, the shocks. But anyway, it's time to go for a drive. love those shift paddles. I love metal shift paddles, as you guys know. This truck is crazy. What a crazy driving experience. It's so fast and it sounds absolutely insane. Can't get over how giant the steering wheel is. But it's a crazy driving experience. I mean, it's so lifted off the road. It's a massive truck and it's just so fast. It feels so weird to be in a truck that's this fast. That's the thing about these, like the Ram TRX and the F-150 Raptor R. It's just like, it's a weird driving experience. Just having that much power and that much brute acceleration, something that's like this, you know, massive and off the road. It's crazy. And it's just such instant power. It's crazy. And it's like rearing to go. Like it's always ready. The truck's always ready to move. It's like begging for more acceleration. And I like the black Ford logo. It looks nice. My favorite part about the interior are the metal shift paddles. They're just so cool. Who doesn't love metal shift paddles? I hate plastic shift paddles. So kudos to Ford for making awesome shift paddles. Makes me like the truck way more just because of that. Any car with metal shift paddles is cool to me. Especially column mounted shift paddles. Because I use shift paddles all the time. This would be so fun to go on like a nationwide road trip in, you know. The thing is, like, what would be fun about this, forget the off-roading, just going on like long trips would be nice because you're so elevated up the road and you could just accelerate everywhere. It would be such a blast. I could drive this for like 20 hours and I wouldn't get bored. Obviously you'd be stopping at the gas station all the time, but it's just such a cool experience. You won't really feel tired because you're so elevated up the road. You won't be sitting in traffic. Even when you're in traffic, you're above the traffic. Right, like you can see above everyone, so you don't feel all congested and feel like you're trapped. Right, like I can see above every car in this thing. Like I'm not a truck guy, but I would drive a Raptor R all day. It's just so cool. I just love how crazy it is. I love crazy vehicles like this. Also, I like the grips of the 9 and 3, especially like, you know, I have big hands, so whenever it's easier for me to grip the steering wheel, which has thicker 9 and 3 points, especially for turning and things like that. We have now returned to Grubb's Infinity, so that concludes today's video on this 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R. Thanks for watching another video, Groove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome pickup trucks like this Raptor R.